So do you think you're the mind? This is where most of us will stop. Yes, this is what I wanted to say. I never said that I'm a skeleton with flesh and blood and bones and tissues. I did not say I'm that silly breath coming in and going out. I am the mind. I am an embodied mind. And that's what most thinking persons, educated persons today will think about. I'm a mind. I am the software in this hardware. So I am an embodied mind. Yes, there's a body, prana, living body, and in that I am thoughts, feelings, emotions, ideas, memories. This is what I call a person. I'm a person. Though most of us, we don't know, the word person comes from persona, means mask. When we say I'm a person, we don't know, most of you actually saying I'm a mask. Are you a mask? Or the one wearing the mask? Anyway, so I'm a person. So Upanishad says, let's examine that. Are you a person? Does the mind change? So the mind really changes. Oh boy, does it change. So much, so many thoughts, so many ideas, so many memories, so many feelings, and all changing from morning till now. This morning, today, sleepy, then cup of coffee, awake. Sometimes bored, sometimes excited, sometimes fresh and sometimes exhausted, sometimes happy and sometimes irritated, peaceful, restless. The mind has changed so much in one morning, from that morning, early morning till today till now. Changing mind. And yet I am the same one. I was the one who was sleepy. I am the one who feels awake. I am the same one. I, the self, did not change. The mind changed from sleepy to awake, from bored to excited, from irritated to calm. And the mind changes. I am the unchanging. Therefore, I cannot be the mind. Second, I am the seer of the mind. This is something interesting to see. Can you see your own mind? Yes. Think a thought. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Om. So they are thoughts. Are you aware of the thought? Can you see the thought? Can you experience the thought? Yes. That's what's called introspection. We can look into our own minds and see our thoughts. So, our thoughts. We are aware of our thoughts, our memories, our feelings, our desires. If you're happy, you know you're happy. This is a song, children's song. I don't need to do it here. Yes. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands, and the children will sit around and they'll clap their hands. If you're happy and you know it. But there's a lot of philosophy packed into it. You are happy and you know it. In which case, if you know it, it's an object. You are the knower. You are the seer. The mind becomes the seen. That happiness in the mind becomes the seen. You are the seer. And if you say, I am happy and I know it, and so I'm going to clap my hands, Vedanta will say, stop, wait. If you know you are happy, then the happiness is an object. You are the knower of that happiness. Then you cannot be happy. You are the witness of that happiness. It's such a spoiled sport. If I know the clock, am I a clock? No, I am the knower of the clock, different from the clock. In the same logic, if I know the happiness in the mind, in the sense, do I feel it? If I feel the happiness in the mind, of course I feel it. It would be actually, this is something that the ordinary language philosophers in Oxford, they suggested. Look at this sentence. If I say, I am happy but I don't feel it, it's a meaningless statement. If you are happy, you must be feeling happy. They are two things are the same thing. If I feel it, if I know it, in that case, it's an object. I am the experiencer of the happiness in the mind. I am not happy. I am the experiencer. That's what I actually mean by happiness. So, the mind is known, seen. It's an object and you are the subject. You are the seer. It is the seen. Therefore, you are not the mind. The mind is there, but you are not it. This gap between the mind and yourself, it's a psychological gap, very powerful. Then finally, one more argument, which is the most stunning. Conscious and not conscious. If there is anything that is conscious in the world, we will say the mind is conscious. And Vedanta comes and says, even the mind is not conscious. What do you mean? I can feel it right now. What you are feeling is you, the consciousness, and the mind is an object. The mind being very proximate to the self, very proximate to the sentient self, the conscious self, shines in borrowed consciousness, shines in light, your light. But you are conscious of the mind. And I can prove it to you right now. The mind is not conscious. You are conscious. How can I prove it? Just try it right now. Think a thought, the same A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, Om, any thought. Just think it right now. If you try it, you will see yourself. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Mentally say to yourself, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I aware of the 1, 2, 3, 4? Is the 1, 2, 3, 4 aware of me? If I ask this question, you say, I am aware of 1, 2, 3, 4. How can the 1, 2, 3, 4 be aware of me? 1, 2, 3, 4 is like mental talk. If I say verbally 1, 2, 3, 4, mentally it's just like repeating it mentally, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not aware of itself. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not aware of me. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not aware of other thoughts also. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not aware of the ABCD. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is not aware of the Om. I am aware of the 1, 2, 3, 4. So consciousness or awareness is on my side, not on the side of 1, 2, 3, 4. Or ABCD or Om. So all these thoughts, the mind, which is composed of thoughts, feelings, memories, they are all objects which are not conscious. And I am conscious of them. Conscious and not conscious cannot be the same thing. Again, three arguments. Changing, unchanging. I, the unchanging, and the ever-changing mind cannot be literally to be the same thing. I, the knower of the mind, and the mind which is the known, I, the seer, and the mind which is the seen, cannot be the same thing. So I am not the mind. And finally, more subtle, I, the conscious being, the sentient being, the aware being, and the mind which is not conscious, it's an object of consciousness, cannot be the same thing. Therefore, I am not even the mind. Don't worry, mind is there, you're not mindless. But you are not the mind itself. Nowadays, all this tremendous, everybody is talking about AI now. But what AI tells me as a Vedantin is that you can actually construct an artificial mind which is not conscious, which displays every trait, every property, every capacity of the mind. It's creative in a certain way. It can take decisions. It can drive a car. If you go to San Francisco or somewhere, you will find lots of cars are being driven by. I asked a Pakistani cab driver in San Francisco, what do you think about these driverless cars? And he said, it's no problem. I'm 65. I'm retiring now. See, other cab drivers have to worry about it. It can take decisions. It can drive a car. It's a complex activity. It has memory. You can hook it up to senses and so on and so forth. So it can have a mind. But as far as we know, till now, it's not conscious. So, mind and consciousness are not the same thing. You are conscious. The mind is not conscious. So you are not even the mind. A gap opens up between you and the mind. It's a great freedom to know that I am not the mind. The mind is there. Just like these objects are there, the mind is also there. These are a collection of physical objects. The mind is a collection of mental objects. Upanishad makes a distinction between the lower mind and the higher mind. The higher mind it calls the intellect, buddhi. Anyoantaratma vijnanamaya. Look inwards, deeper, and you will find the intellect. Why isolate the intellect from the rest of the mind? Because we are using the intellect for all these operations. Whatever we are doing now is the intellect. Am I the intellect? Am I intelligence itself? Who am I? Am I intelligence? Same questions, changing and unchanging. Intelligence also changes. Understanding changes. Comprehension, non-comprehension. I did not understand. Now understanding. After some time again confusion. So the intellect is changing and I can observe, I can experience. Intellect is seeing. The intellect is not conscious. I am conscious of the intellect. Artificial intellect, artificial intelligence. I am conscious of it. You can manufacture an intelligence nowadays. I am conscious of it. So I am not even the intelligence.